Inveterate is an adjective that describes a habit, feeling, or characteristic that is deep-rooted, long-established and unlikely to change. It often has a negative connotation, but can also be neutral or positive depending on context. In origins, the word comes from the Latin inveteratus, meaning made old or established over time. It entered English in the 16th century, retaining its sense of something firmly ingrained. Explanation and usage. Inveterate is commonly used to describe habitual behaviors or traits that have become deeply embedded in a person's character. Example sentences: he's an inveterate gambler who can't resist a bet. As an inveterate reader, she finishes several books a week. Cultural significance. The term is often used in psychology, literature, and social commentary to describe persistent behaviors or long-standing traditions, whether beneficial or problematic. Synonyms: chronic, persistent and long-lasting; habitual, done regularly as a habit; deep-seated, firmly established over time. Antonyms: temporary, lasting for a short time; occasional, happening irregularly or infrequently; newfound, recently acquired or developed. A key takeaway: inveterate describes deeply ingrained habits or tendencies, emphasizing their long-standing nature and resistance to change, whether for better or worse. Subscribe.